Hey y'all, when I got into work this morning, I had some books left on my desk, some professional books that I'm being asked to process. So, since I have to process some books, I thought I would go ahead and record how I go about doing that. So, what I have is I have three professional books, they're all the same that I need to process. So, to do that, I make sure that I'm on the catalog tab and I'm going to go over here to add title and click that. Now, here's some choices. It's a book, and you can choose how you want to search for the book. You can do title, author. I'm doing ISBN. If your ISBN doesn't show up, then title usually works. So I'm going to go ahead and scan this. And here are some choices that have popped up. The little red house means that someone in Dalton Public Schools has already processed this book. I'm going to go ahead and choose that one. I usually try and do that. It keeps from having a lot of duplicates. If there wasn't one, then you can choose one of these others and just pick the one that looks the best. And so from this page, I'm going to choose Add Copy. All right, so if I was processing a children's book, one that's going to go in the regular library, I would change this from available to in processing or on order or something like that. That would keep children from trying to get to that book before it's ready to go out. It's okay to say available. Now, this one right here, I have three of the same book. So I'm going to do all three of them at once, and I'm going to change the number of copies to three. I have a sign next barcode, and then the call number is already here. I'm going to add the author's last name here. This was just left on my desk. I have no idea what the purchase price is, so I'm going to leave that blank. Circulation type, this is professional book, so I'm going to choose professional. And then my sublocation should also be professional. Let's see if I can, there it is. And see if I can, so from here, I don't know the vendor, I don't know the funding source. All I know is that it needs to go in the professional library. So I'm going to go ahead and save my copies. And it's given me the warning, 3 copies are going to be added. Am I sure? And yes, I am sure. Now at this point, well, so now it shows me all 3 copies. I can make note of these barcodes and type that in when I'm ready to print the barcode labels. And I will go ahead and do that now. And that's really all there is to adding a book to the catalog.